Passwords are slowly disappearing, and the reason is simple. They are no longer secure enough for today's digital world. So what is replacing them? Passkeys.
Passkeys are a new way to log into apps and websites without using a password. Instead of remembering complex combinations, you use something you already have: your fingerprint, your face, or your device. At a basic level, passkeys are based on advanced cryptography. When you create an account, your device generates two keys. One key stays on your device and is never shared. The other key is stored by the service you are logging into. When you sign in, your device proves your identity using the private key without sending it anywhere. This means your credentials are never exposed or transmitted like passwords. Passwords have always been a weak point in security. People reuse them across multiple platforms. They are easy to guess, steal, or phish. Even strong passwords can be compromised through data breaches. And once they are stolen, attackers can access multiple accounts instantly. This is why the industry is moving beyond passwords. Passkeys solve many of these problems. They cannot be reused across sites. They are not vulnerable to phishing because there is no password to steal. And they rely on your device security, such as biometrics or screen lock. They are also easier for users. No need to remember or reset anything. Just authenticate and you are in. Major platforms are already adopting passkeys. From mobile devices to cloud services, companies are pushing toward a password-less future. This is not just a trend. It is becoming the new standard for secure authentication. For users, it means better security and a smoother experience. For businesses, it reduces risk and improves trust. And for professionals in cybersecurity and identity, this is a critical shift to understand. Passwords are fading. Passkeys are taking over. The question is not if this change will happen. It is how ready you are for it.
Follow the Identity Management Institute for more information on IAM and cybersecurity. And stay tuned for more videos to drop soon from our Quick Guide series.